Hello everyone, this is the Omega Lynch, back again. Please, help me. Not knowing which toy line I'm from is driving me mad. Sorry buddy, but that will have to wait. Right now we're doing a toy interview with Core Class Sound Blaster. Must be nice knowing which toy line you're from. Okay, seriously, if anyone knows anything about the toy line this guy is from, please let us know. I lost count on how many tranquilizer darts we had to use on him the last time. Anyway, let's get on with the interview, shall we? So, Sound Blaster, I hear you're Soundwave's evil twin. Yep, that is why Megatron chose Soundwave over me. By the way, is the other guy gonna be okay? Don't worry about him. We got our eyes on him. Now, Sound Blaster, I'm gonna level with you. I invited you on to the show because I've heard you got 2 ultimate modes. Is that correct? Yes, it is. Everyone thinks I go from a robot to a radio. However, I can be a base and a space cruiser. Really? Well, I think everyone watching would like to see that. Would you mind if we got the hands in here to show how you change into those alternate modes? Not at all. Okay, not bad. A little simple, but looks good. Gotta say, your base mode looks a lot better than Hasbro's Fortress Maximus base mode does. I think so too. Well, that's all the time we got for this interview. Let me know what your thoughts are on Soundwave's 2 extra modes, and please help me find my identity. Dude, really? This is the part where I tell the people watching to subscribe and share the videos. And if they want, they can support me by purchasing one of my books that I will try to leave a link in the comments below. And if not, plenty of videos below it have links. I'm sorry, I'm just so desperate. Yeah, I know, but you can't keep popping up like that. Anyway, like before, if I don't put a link in the comments below, plenty of videos below, this one has them. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we will see you again. And please, dude, the video's over. So, yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully someone out there can figure out, can remember which toy line this guy's from.